We the people, in order to form a more perfect union, established the White Bus. And it is less than tranquil. And this is our story.
Please stand for our national anthem.
We play cards in our seats and take shots of the sides. We raise hands and we hail for White Bus representing, and our captain Clyde Bond leads our bus in the fight. With this song we are singing, for our color is brown, like a shimmering white sand. It's not red, green, or blue, nor some outrageous hue. Oh, white is the color for all who believe that White Bus is by far the best place to be.
So I'm going to talk to you about the God of the White Bus Nation. Kind of a strange conversation. He says some funny stuff, let's face it. He invades our minds completely with the randomest forms of syntax. This man sounded like he took a verbal form of X-Lax. They ain't done yet. He talks about large junkyards and lights looking like fly swatters. Come hella high water, listen to Bar because he's smarter. But we gotta get back to some of the random stuff that he's saying, even though most of it is too hard for me to explain in words. Verbs, adjectives, and nouns are not immaculate enough to convey his sporadic additive adjectives. They're in his head like laxatives and pop out like unwanted kids. But if he kicked the bucket tomorrow, he would die with a fulfilled passion. This U.S. President of the white people will shush you faster than a parent. Raising a hand will shut you up like the opposites of the streets of Paris. But compare a bus driver to Moose without the thought of dissing, and draw a relation from us guys to pimps, then send us on a mission. I hope you don't get mad like when John one time departed, just because I wrote rap to a song called Get Retarded. Someone complained when the hotel rooms in Stresa are a little midgety, and the men are a little fidgety. Why? Because it's Italy. Don't worry about the dissing, because you're like our second or third father. Francis, get the chant going. I'm too lazy to bother.
White Bus what? Hoorah! White Bus what? Hoorah! White Bus what? Hoorah! Yeah! 1, 2, 3. King is for the way you poke at me. H is for how happy we will be. I is so ironic, let's not even talk about it. L is loves and loves, and let's continue on with Phil. Phil is all that I can ask you for. Phil, what find his bride. He traveled with the SOA, sitting by his side on the white bus. You'll find your true love. So many singles know the story.